I got Jane from Humax with new chargers. Tell us everything about your chargers.
So this is the MX7, which is the UK's first vehicle-to-grid compatible home charger. So this is really cool. It looks very nice. It's quite a stylish little unit here. We've got a version with a connected cable and without, also interchangeable fascias on the chargers as well. And this will allow you to not only charge your car, of course, efficiently. Using the app, you can build profiles for the different cars you might have at home, see what each car is costing you to charge. Maybe you're claiming expenses back from a company for how much your car's charging, etc. But also allowing you to harness the power from your car back to your home. So maybe you are going to charge your car overnight when your rate be a little bit cheaper, and then use that energy back in the home during the day. And eventually, this is the exciting bit, you'll be able to sell that energy back to the grid. So actually, you're using your car effectively as a giant power bank for your home, but also any surplus energy you've got, selling that back to the grid. I think that's why this has had so much attention so far this morning already.
And it's just a regular AC socket.
Regular AC
socket. If your car can do a vehicle to load, then it can do this.
Absolutely, and it means it's a standard installation. And this particular one, the MX7, that's brand new to us, is launching in June of this year.
Good stuff. Thank you very much.
Nice to see you.